So the Surface Duo 1 and 2 got the August update. This is a huge W. But the question is, how much of a W actually is this? Let's go ahead and talk about this. So Microsoft started rolling out a new firmware update for its Android-based Surface devices. The original Surface Duo and its second gen sibling have received the latest Android security update in August 2023, with nothing new else in the changelog. What's new? It's the pretty much the exact same thing we always can expect. It's a update to the security bulletin for the Surface Duo 1 and 2. So just pretty much increasing the security features, making sure that there's no vulnerabilities in it, and making sure that there's no, known bugs, I will say, Surface bugs. It says right here there's no known bugs anyway, so it's not like that is huge deal. But again, like I said, as I said many times, and it says right here, address scenarios outlined in the Android security bulletin. This is a W. This is actually a freaking W. And I know that might not sound like a W, like all they did was update the device. Like, that's not, like, they didn't give an actual update. It's just literally updating security. Yeah, that's a huge W. Because keep in mind, again, Microsoft has discontinued the Surface Duo 2. They discontinued the Surface Duo 1. These devices no longer Microsoft cares about. But yet they're still giving us updates to these devices. So that means at least you can use your Surface Duo 1 and 2 as your daily driver if you wanted to, a secondary device, and you don't have to worry about, eventually, right now at least, you not getting security updates and then getting your account hacked, your information stolen, anything like that. Which, again, like I said, I know it's not a huge deal that these are getting the updates or these getting any kind of updates, but sorry, it's not a huge deal that they're not getting like crazy updates, but at the same time, it's better than nothing. Honestly, this is better than nothing, so I gotta give Microsoft credit because I did not think that they were going to continue to do this. I know it says right here, devices supported until September 10th of 2023 and in October 21st, 2024, but based on what we have seen from Microsoft, they have not really held their point, like their end of the bargain, I would say, in any way, it seems like. So, I was thinking that we would not get any more Surface Duo updates back in June and July, and we're still getting them. So, again, like I said, not many times on this channel, lately at least, I have been saying, Microsoft's been doing W's or getting W's. This is a huge win for Microsoft. But with that being said, we're probably, hopefully, going to keep getting updates until that exact date that we listed there. But, guys, definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.